Are you ready for new predictions, and are you ready to see how I actually treat my special inner circle of students at the VLW Trading Academy? In this specific video, I'm going to read from scratch. I haven't looked at the charts today. Today's Sunday, August 30th. So I'm actually going to be looking from zero all the charts, and I'm gonna be sharing my personal trades. I'm gonna place those trades over here in my broker with you as pending orders, of course, because the markets are closed, but I'm gonna place those pending orders. And additionally, I'm gonna share my predictions in the BLW Trading Academy Facebook group just for students. But in this video, you're gonna learn how I do my analysis from zero for the week. My name is Christian, and this is the VLW Online Trading Channel. And if you're new into binary options, Forex, or day trading in general, I'm actually here to help you, to train you, and to give you tutorials as to how to make money with these industries. In this channel, you're not gonna find gold necklaces, Gucci glasses, Gucci watch, Gucci everything, and Louis Vuitton and so on, and gold, and like some sort of drug lord of Forex. No, you're not gonna find that. In this specific channel, you're gonna find education, real numbers, real tutorials, and of course, real stories about how I make money with Forex trading on a weekly basis. So if you want to be part of this journey, I recommend you to hit that subscribe button below. I upload videos on a daily basis. So with that being said, let's jump into the video. Okay, after the longest intro of my life, it's actually time to start reading the charts and start looking at what is it that we're gonna trade with. Right now, I'm actually having my screen Tesla stock, but it was because I was actually trading with, I'm actually trading with stocks during the week. A whole different video, you're gonna look it up, I think on Friday. It's gonna be super cool. It's in regards to stocks, but right now that's the reason why I don't actually trade stocks in Forex directly. I don't know why I keep talking about this. So what we're gonna do is that we're gonna choose the pairs that we're gonna be trading with. And since I haven't really looked at what is going on with the pairs, I'm gonna look at the most common ones, the major pairs, and see if we have entry opportunities in there. I'm gonna provide at least 5 signals for this specific week. Some of them are not even touched right now. You guys can see my broker, by the way. $948 is my actual account right now, and this is based on the trades of the entire month and based on my predictions. So for this month, I've made $508. So more than 100% doubling up my account. So that's actually awesome, only with these predictions. So what we're gonna do is that we're actually gonna do that. But what I wanted to show you was this. These are the pending orders that I had for last week that weren't reached actually. So what I'm gonna do is that I'm actually gonna close them, and I'm gonna add to the post that I'm actually gonna have inside of the Facebook group for BLW Trading Academy members. I'm gonna put close all pending orders from last week. These are the fresh ones for this week. All right, so this is what this is going to do. What is it that I'm not looking at this? Okay, there you go. So what this is going to do is that they're going to close their trades that I already shared, and we're going to wait for new ones. So let's go ahead and jump into the prediction. So I'm going to start with Euro USD, and the first thing I'm going to do is actually go to all first thing. And I'm going to jump into a daily chart. I'm not going to do anything whatsoever with 15-minute charts. These are swing trades, so on the daily chart is actually good. Now, one thing I've been analyzing in this specific pair is that, let me see, on February 16th, 2018, it actually reached this level. It's very far away. The euro actually got a lot of value on top of the dollar. So far, ever since the pandemic, actually, I don't know why, but the dollar has been rising up. And it's been actually, it seems like it's going to reach a very a high level. So here's the deal. I actually have a resistance level drawn right here, but it also could be this one as well, this baby right here. And if you notice, it has been reaching this support level, this one right here. and then it bounces back and it keeps on jumping. It bounces back, it keeps on jumping. So it seems, and it's becoming an uptrend in a weekly time frame. So it does seem like it's going to reach this level. So, but here's the point, that if we enter at this level, we are risking too much, that it might just start dropping after this resistance level. So my recommendation here will be to, it will be a buy option as well, but this might not even be an entry for this specific week. Why? Because it will take a week or maybe 2 or 3 to actually reach this level, even if it starts dropping. But it's still, this is gonna be a position trade. So Euro USD, buy limit, and I'm gonna put here position trade. If you don't know what a position trade is, or you're not like really familiar with the words, I recommend you to go to blwtradingacademy.com. There I have the full training for Forex traders, for beginners specifically, and how you become an expert on Forex trading. So I recommend you to go in there and check it out. Okay, so we're gonna choose an SR, and the SR I would choose the same that I have been chosen for the past few weeks, which is 1.17758. That could be your pending order and your take profit. I don't use a stop loss. Just manage to see what is going on with these pairs. So the take profit, the first one that I'm going to put is actually closer right now to the point, to the current level. So it's going to be 1.19269. And we're gonna measure how many pips we can make in that specific trade. We're talking about 150 pips. It could be more. Like I said, this is gonna be the initial take profit, but once it reaches this level right here, I'm gonna tell you to move your take profit to like 60, to stop loss to like 60 pips in profit. But then if it breaks this part right here, which I'm sure it will, then he's gonna get all the way to this level. So we're talking about, let me see, 260 pips pretty much. So not bad at all for one single trade. So we have the first one actually placed, and the first thing I'm going to do is actually place my own trade. Oh, you know what? I'm gonna choose them right here. I'm gonna put them on the notepad, and then I'm going to place the pending orders over here in front of you. I just saved the notepad in case, you know, a power down or something like that. All right, so we're here right now, and what we're gonna do right now is we're gonna look for a different pair. Take a look at the drops that it has been having. So I'm sure that within a couple of days, it might just reach this level and then keep on jumping. All right, cool. We're gonna go to AUD USD, which is pretty similar. Oof, but this one already jumped too much. Did I enter this trade anyway? Oh, okay. This might be super, super interesting. Is actually reaching a very strong resistance level. So this might be a sell option. Let me take a look at the weekly numbers. Take a look. It reached this resistance level. Poof. It's kind of becoming an uptrend, but I'm sure that at least it will retract all the way to this level. So this is what we're going to do. I'm going to put right here AUD USD sell limit, and this is going to be a high risk trade, which means that if you don't feel comfortable, if you don't understand the analysis, you don't take it. It doesn't mean that I think it's not going to be in the money. I'm just saying that if you don't understand it, you better don't take it, because a lot of people can think like, hey, but it's an uptrend. What do you mean it's an uptrend? Why would you actually risk it, an uptrend, a sell option? Yes, but I already did the analysis, and this huge jump is the one that can make us money. I might be wrong, but we're here to trade, and trading involves risk, right? I'm doing the fundamental and technical analysis that I need, and I'm 95% sure that it's actually going to drop. So we're going to actually choose an SR. The SR that I'm going to choose, I think, well, I don't know. I think it's gonna be the one that I have the horizontal line on, 0.73762, and the take profit level will be this one right here, because it's not gonna drop more than this, okay? Because it's an uptrend. So even if it drops a lot more, As long as we actually make, how many pips could we make with this trade? We're aiming 131 pips pretty much. So yeah, as long as we actually make profit with this specific signal, we're good to go. So the take profit will be the second one, which is 0.72443. Okay, that's the second signal of the day. USD I want to take a look at that specific pair. It has been dropping a lot, and if you notice, I already have the signal placed, and I already made money with this specific pair. But let me go ahead and take a look at the weekly chart. This could be a buy option, but in this area. And you know what the best part is? That it will continue dropping. It will touch that area and then it's gonna start jumping. It might even start jumping before, but a pending order, if we miss a pending order, that's fine. USD CAD buy limit position trade. Position trade can take 5, 10 days, maybe 1, 2, 3 weeks, or even 1 or 2 months. It really depends. The SR will be 1.29835, and the take profit, the take profit has a huge potential, but I'm gonna choose one, realistically speaking, so that you can set it up. It's 1.33164. Let me see how many pips we can make in this trade. In this pair, we've been making a lot of pips, 333 pips so far. It could be more. All right, so we have the third position place right now. What was the other pair that I was actually focused on last? Oh, USD CHF. On USD CHF, we see another drop. This one, I'm gonna look at the monthly chart because it does have some sort of confusion. If you notice, these are the levels. I would say this is the support level, and this is a resistance level that was actually broken. So this one will continue dropping because it already broke the support line here. So in this case, this is gonna be the position. And I actually had it already placed, I think. So what I'm gonna do is that I'm actually gonna enter, and even if we go to the weekly chart, we're gonna see that it broke it. And yeah, this is gonna be the take profit level. I already made money with this pair, with this single pair with different signals. It might take a few days for us to actually see this price being touched, but that's fine. So this is another position trade, USD CHF. This is a sell limit and position trade. They're gonna freak out when they see only position trades. The actual SR is gonna be 91,785, and the take profit will be around 0.87672. You're gonna get crazy right now when you see how many pips we're talking about in this specific pair. Let me go ahead and measure it. This right here from this one is actually 409. Okay, I thought it was gonna be more, but that's fine. 400 pips is actually good. And how many signals we have? We have 4. Okay, we're gonna take a look at GBP USD. GBP USD. This one is going to drop. Oh, this is beautiful. We are looking at a huge drop that is gonna start right now. This is gonna be super cool. Yeah, I'm gonna love this one. So this is gonna be a short position. It's not gonna be a long position. There you go. And I'm gonna measure it right here. Boom. This is gonna be the entry point. We're not gonna need to wait any longer. Although this is gonna be a high risk trade for those. A high risk trade, again, the reason why I'm saying is a high risk, because a lot of people will see this and will say, whoa, this is an uptrend. Yes, it is an uptrend, but guess what? On a monthly chart, it's actually reaching a strong resistance line right here that it's telling me that it's going to continue dropping. If we go to the weekly, we see that it's kind of in the middle. It's not really getting short, but this resistance level has been respected. Do you want to measure how many pips we can make in this trade? If we are actually accurate, we could make 1,223 pips. This position is going to be just beautiful. This position is not for impatient people. I just want to say that up front. If you're not patient, if you're like, well, I mean, It's been 2 days and I've been in loss, then this trade is not for you. GBP USD, and you can see that it's a completely different for Euro USD, but for Euro USD is going to drop a little bit and then he's going to keep on jumping. I'm not entering a sell position on Euro USD because it might continue jumping a little more and then we're going to end up losing money. But with GBP USD, I'm 100% sure that it's going to keep on dropping. As start dropping. GBP USD sell limit. This is a swing trade. This is not a position trade, and we're gonna set the SR at 1 point. Hold on, because I actually drew this line and it's kind of making me confused. 1.33481, and the other one, the take profit, 1.21310. Wow, it's gonna get crazy here. We can set a shorter take profit, but let's go ahead and set it this one just so that, you know, people don't get scared. But I'm going to keep on moving that take profit along the way on the trade because this trade is going to take the whole September. Hear me. The whole September, this trade is going to take. This specific, let me see where it started. This is where it started in August, right here in this one. Take a look at the jump. In 1 month, he made, let me see, around 400 pips. So he might take even more than September to actually make 1,000 pips, but that's fine. So I'm going to change it, right, to 1.30346. You already saw why is it that I have a longer take profit, but I'm going to start with this one and then we can change it. Now it's time for us to actually place the positions in our brokers. And the first thing that we got to do is close all of this stuff so that we only have the ones that we are interested in. First one, Euro USD, right? Here it doesn't matter the time frame, but I usually go with 1 daily just because I hate looking at those movements. Take a look at all the trades that I have played with this specific pair. Okay, so the SR is this one. So how do you do it in IC Market in case you guys are using the same broker? Right click, create a new order. You go to limit order. What's the direction? Is a buy option. So you enter over here the actual entry price. We're not gonna set it expiry, it's fine. We're gonna enter with let me see, 0.06 lots, that's fine. We're gonna get the take profit level here. Boom. We are looking at 151 pips at $123 in profit. Even if we close earlier, we're still gonna be good. So I place already the order, and if we go to orders, it appears right here. It's pending, and once that price is actually triggered, that's when the trade is gonna be played. Now AUD USD, awesome, beautiful. I'm gonna change it again to 1 day. Right click, AUD USD is gonna be a sell limit order. Perfect. And I have here, sell. There we go. I have the SR right here. It's 9 pips away. You know what? I think I might even enter this trade already. Let me see. You know what? I'm gonna enter the one that I have. I'm gonna stick to my beliefs. If we lost it, if we miss it, then we miss it. That's fine. But the take profit 131 pips, hold on. Let me see, 0.09, 0.10, 0.09 knots, $18 in the trade. If I win it, it's $161 using Canadian dollars, by the way. USD CAD daily chart, we change it over here and then right click, create order, and we're gonna get the actual information. The SR is right here. This is a buy limit, right? Buy limit, perfect. We're going against what we've been doing for the past couple of weeks. So it's going to be interesting because a lot of people is going to get confused. Remember, if you still have confusion and you don't know what I'm doing and you're like, whoa, how is it that you're actually like going against the trend and so on, then I highly recommend you to go to blwtradingacademy.com. If I win this trade, that's going to be $241. We go into the next one, USD CHF daily chart. These are the positions that I have made with this pair and I've made money. This is going to be a new sell position. And this is the take profit. 421 pips. Let me just go ahead and change my lot size. Perfect. I will make $432 once we win this one. By the way, GBP USD. By the way, if you guys want to receive updates in regards to these signals, when I'm telling you, hey, you know what? You should sell right now, you should buy right now, and so on, or you should close it right now, or so on, I recommend you to join my BLW Trading Academy. Reason why is because over there in my private group is where I actually are gonna keep you guys updated. 3481 is not allowing me because of the spread. So I'm gonna enter there anyways, because I can place it at the actual price because of the spread. I got 2 pips in the spread. All right, enter here, and let me just go ahead and choose my amount. Oh, it's too much. $18. All right, it's fine. If we win this one, it's gonna be $214. Remember that at this one, we actually use a different level. So as you can see right now, I placed already my trades. They are already there waiting. This one is 0.1 pip away. This one is 9 pips away. The other ones are 100 pips away. We're just gonna wait until these prices are actually touched. If by the end of the week we only have 1 or 2 positions placed and the actual price is getting far away from the actual entry point that I shared, then I'm gonna share some other signals. But at the moment, this is what I'm going to share. And I'm going to share in my BLW Trading Academy group this right here. Hi all. New and fresh predictions here. Close all your pending orders from last week. These are fresh for this week. Just want to add something here. PS, if you don't understand or feel comfortable with position trades, take them on demo. Cheers all. And boom. So as you can see, these people who are in my inner circle are going to be the ones receiving these predictions in real time. So that's the beauty of being part of the BLW Trading Academy. If you want to be part of it, go to blwtradingacademy.com. And I just want to say thank you for following me on this video. I know it's longer than usual, but I actually shared all of my actual analysis inside of this specific trades. And I want you to know what is it that I am trading on my own. And remember that since, well, not today, but on September 1st, we are starting with the 100-day challenge or 100 trade challenge. This is going to be part of it. I'm starting my own challenge as well. So I'm going to be keeping up track of all of my trades and all my profits. And my target is actually $5,000 or $5,000 to $10,000 in 100 days with my predictions with this $1,000 account. So hopefully we can do it. Thank you very much for watching this video. And if you guys have any questions, you can put it on the comment section below. And if you found value in this video, make sure you smash the like button. By any chance during the part of this video you felt that you have some value from this channel, make sure you are subscribed for more videos just like this one, and I'll see you on the next one.